Hi guys, this is Nishtha Sahu, founder of Mirror You, emotional literacy coach, social entrepreneur, and author of Emotionally High. Today we'll be inviting one of our important guests who is Chavi Mehta ma'am. She is a parent-child coach. She is an author of two remarkable books. She also makes young minds write their own stories by making them authors. Hi, ma'am. This is Chavi Mehta, ma'am. We'll ask ma'am to introduce a little bit about her.
Hello, first of all, Nishta, thank you so very much for inviting me here for this beautiful podcast. And many congratulations to you, first of all, for starting this beautiful journey. And as the name says, Mirror You.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is so amazing, so beautiful, because sometimes all of us need a mirror in
Right,
life.
ma'am, right,
and that's
ma'am.
how. So,
Ma'am, as we discussed right now that you are an author yourself, and here I want to highlight that she is the author of Conscious Parenting. Just give it a try, because here she has mentioned a lot of things about how to healthy parent your kid, not the toxic traits or the generational trauma that you have been gaining since years and years of baggages, right? And this is another book that she has written, that is Seven True Tales of Triumph, where she has taken young authors who have shared their own stories. So let's understand about parenting and how parenting is the root cause of everything that is happening in our society from her.
absolutely. So I'll just add on something here. It's
Right,
not
ma'am.
happening in the society. It is
Right.
all happening inside
Exactly,
us. Because
right.
everything starts within us.
Within us.
To start with my introduction, so I'm
Right.
Chavi Mehta. I'm a public speaking coach, an author coach. And these are the two books which I've written. And the first book is very close to my heart. That is Conscious Parenting, Nurturing
Right.
Hearts.
Right.
It's very close to my heart, as I said, because it started with my own kids, my own journey, my
True.
own personal journey
Yeah.
of becoming a parent.
Becoming a parent.
So,
right?
and that's how it all started. Now my kids are young adults. So the entire journey I've lived, I've enjoyed, I've unlearned so many things.
Yeah.
And I've learned so many new
So
things.
many
And that
things.
is what I've realized, that yes, I should share, whatever my journey has been with a lot of other parents
Right.
who's struggling in today's time.
True. Because as the name suggests, conscious parenting, where you are trying to aware people that you have to be in the moment, in
Absolutely.
now, not in the past or the future, and dwelling in comparison or so many chained conditioning by the society or something. But you have to break your conditions in order to build a happy life that you desire, that you want to build one, right? So that is
Absolutely.
what
The ball is in
Yeah,
our court, and
exactly.
we are the owners.
Right.
We run our own life, and
Right.
it is in our hand, how to make it, what turn we need to give to our life. Do we want to be happy in life, or do we
Right.
want to just compare and sulk
Yeah.
and be sad?
Yeah.
The choice is totally ours.
Exactly. As you mentioned the word choice, our whole series of podcast, I mean, the podcast name is itself Choice, where we are taking those guests who are making a choice to transform their lives, as well as become an inspiration for many others and transform their lives by changing themselves and making a revolution. So parenting, being conscious about your own child and your own self needs a lot of self work, where I see that parenting is not for everyone. Not everyone can become a good parent, where they can build a child, because building a child is something, I mean, people say no, I'm just raising a kid. Raising a kid is different, and building a kid is very different, because children are a powerhouse of creativity, lot of knowledge, lot of powerhouse things and emotions, where you are intricately like dwelling in so much energy, where you need to channelize and radiate them
I
in a
totally
way.
agree to
Right.
whatever you just said. So
Yeah.
let's start from what exactly is
Yeah,
parenting.
what
Let me just
exactly
share
is parenting.
some insights
True.
about what exactly is parenting. So I feel parenting is more like nurturing a soul.
Right.
It is like nurturing mind. It is like nurturing a body. So when you're nurturing somebody, mind, body, and soul,
Right.
that is parenting. Wherein it's not a project. For a lot
Right,
of parents these days, it is more like a project where they take the child as a project, and they have steps, they have milestones, they have goals. they don't want to enjoy that parenting.
Yeah.
They just treat that this is something like an office work we've got for the next couple of years.
They are very much objective oriented.
Absolutely.
Like they're goal oriented. They treat their kids as a goal. That okay, you should be in this standard, then only we'll love you. If you don't do this, if you don't part this level, then we are not connected. So as you mentioned, that they are not a goal. They're not a subject. They're not an object. Where we need to understand that it's all about nurturing. The three things that you mentioned very creatively, that mind, body and soul, we need to work consciously on these three things of a child in order to make him a human, a total complete human.
Superb. Wonderfully said. And a good human here. And when I'm saying nurturing mind, body and soul, that we are doing it wholeheartedly with all our love, affection, care. And when we say that love, affection, care, I also would like to add something here, that is unconditional love.
Wow.
जब वो unconditional love होता है हमें हमारे बच्चों के लिए, and not keeping in mind कि कितना time हमने इसमें invest किया, just nurturing them wholeheartedly. So maybe अगर आपके बेबी ने मैसअप कर दिया है, कुछ डर्टी कर दिया है, टॉयलेट ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, just be silent, just be little patient and enjoy that journey, because wait for that journey to blossom, to bloom. It's more like a WhatsApp की दुनिया वाला click का button नहीं है, you just tap and something great happens. So this parenting journey, again, as a parent, it teaches us a lot of things to be more patient.
It's a transformative journey where you learn as a person a lot more than the kid, because it's a thing that I personally believe that your children are always your teachers, because they don't come to learn from you.
I agree to this to the T, because yes, we learn every day from our own parents. I mean, so from our own children. Absolutely.
Right. Yeah, because every time they will share you a perspective which is much more ahead than what we think, and you will be flabbergasted that, oh, I didn't think of this way. I mean, she or he is actually thinking it from an out of the box thing, where I have to cut short my patterns, and I have to like leave my cocoon and out of the box, and then see the world from a perspective where I see that things can be better. Things can be better.
Things can be amazing if parenting goes on well.
Exactly.
If the child and parent are on the same page.
Yeah.
And what is the core of parenting? I would like to mention here, the core of parenting is happiness.
Right.
I did mention I've got my kids, they're young adults.
Right.
But the core is happiness. Yes, I'll tell them if they're doing something wrong. I'll definitely tell them, guide them that this is somewhere you should correct yourself. But ultimate goal for me is their happiness. I never pressurized my own kids. You have to pursue something specific, or you have to get into medical or whatever. I wanted them to do. I never did that, because my ultimate what I want from them is,
you don't put the baggage of expectations on them.
I want them to be happy.
Exactly.
I want them to enjoy. And believe me when I say this, if they're happy, if they enjoy, their purpose of life is going to be super
fulfilled.
Nice.
Yeah.
Because
as you
they'll enjoy doing it. They'll be passionate about whatever they've chosen.
Exactly. They love what they do. And you won't put that emotional baggage on them that, okay, I'm expecting, वो expectation का भार उनके ऊपर नहीं पड़ेगा.
I think this is the modern day parenting, which I've realized a lot of parents have realized. I've also seen a lot of successful people who are really doing great in their life, but I'm telling you, they hate their parents, especially their father.
They do.
Why? Because the fathers parents sometimes, they really put a lot of pressure on their kids that you should get into this specific profession. They should get into some specific services, even if they didn't like it. They did it. They're really successful today, but they're not happy from inside. And now, to what extent they're again hating their own parents. So we should be really mindful. Let's give that freedom to our kids. Freedom of thought. Freedom of what they want to become. Guide them. Be with them. If they're doing something wrong, but give them that freedom to be happy. To enjoy their life. To enjoy their purpose. To enjoy their passion.
As you mentioned very rightly about the freedom of thought and the fatherly bond, I would try to like say the audience about something that I learned through my journey. That this is a very strong pattern that I've observed in many of my clients, where they come up with the thing that they have had emotionally unavailable father wound. That what it happens is that affects in their adulthood. What
Absolutely.
happens is they start craving for people subconsciously who are exactly the copy of their fathers.
Fatherly image.
Fatherly wound.
You know, I'll add
Right.
something here.
Yeah,
There's
sure.
something really beautiful which I
Yeah.
recently read in a
Right.
book, and they were talking about real wealth. Do you
Real
know what is
wealth.
real wealth?
Yeah.
Real wealth is not the number of zeros in your bank
Right,
account.
right.
It is more like how much peace you
Exactly.
have at your
Yeah.
hand.
Yeah.
What a peaceful life do you have?
Right, right.
Do you have that connection, that
Yeah.
bond, that emotional connect with your
yeah.
family? If yes,
Yeah.
then you're really wealthy.
I mean, there's someone who like asked me a few days back that I wish you a lot of wealth in the life. I said I'm already wealthy. Then they were like, you're already wealthy. You're not even like you're not that famous and all. I said no, I'm already famous. I'm already doing. I'm already loving what I do. So they said, how are you wealthy? I said, understand that your definition of wealth and my definition of wealth are not aligned. Your definition of wealth is conditioned and it is attached with worldly pleasures. My definition of wealth is very clear, that peace and happiness are my true wealth. Where I see, if I'm not getting affected by someone else's thing, if I'm conscious that for me, my family comes first, my own projects, my own ideas where I want to contribute, and I see that I can do something, that comes first, how can someone else's emotion affect me? They have a mini world. I have a mini world. There's no way any connection. Only their emotions can affect their world. My emotion can affect my world. That is how we reframe it. That is what emotionally high tells. That emotions need to be parented, not controlled. Because when we try to control, suppose बच्चा है, हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? ये मत कर. But you see that he has a lot of energy, lot of creative
Absolutely.
energy. But the moment you will try to cage him कि ये मत करो, वो करेगा, and वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से करेगा, वो उसे deny करेगा, because that is how our mind and emotions work. जैसे हम बच्चे को rear कर रहे हैं,
And it is, more like
Right.
conditioning of your
conditioning,
head.
yeah.
And the child, whatever you say no
Right.
for, you have cravings inside.
Exactly.
Why that no? Let me just try that.
Yeah.
Let me just see how it
Right.
works. I think यहाँ पर ना बच्चों को freedom देनी चाहिए.
Freedom देनी चाहिए.
Explore.
Yeah.
गिर जाओगे, सीखोगे,
सीखोगे,
फिर उठोगे,
क्या हो जाएगा?
and learn like
Yeah.
that.
I mean, there are always like two paths. एक है जिसका डेस्टिनी आपको पता है, दूसरा है you don't know. I feel most of the parents they want कि एक मतलब pre-conceived notion
नहीं,
उनके
यहाँ पर एक concept आता है that is known
जी.
as learning by doing.
Yeah.
Let the
Yeah.
child learn by doing.
Action based model.
Absolutely.
मतलब but
गिरता है, फेल होता
Exactly.
है, होने दो. Again, end
Yeah.
of the day, you're learning something. And I feel failures teach you more than
success. But how to
Because
like,
I think next time जब आप try करोगे,
बिल्कुल.
next attempt it's going to be better.
you'll bounce back more far, like
Absolutely.
more hugely, right?
And then you'll also
yeah.
get to know the value of
the thing.
success.
Value of the
That
thing.
sweet
Yeah.
taste of success जो
Right.
आपने miss करा,
Miss किया था.
वो आपको real
Yeah.
taste पता चलेगा.
True.
I think that is really important
Yeah.
for them to taste, because आज की डेट में ना everything is served on a silver platter for
Exactly,
kids.
yeah.
That hunger, that thirst,
Right.
that fight, वो तो
Yeah.
है ही नहीं, because I think उनका they have everything in life. So if you've also realized people who come from small villages to big towns,
Yeah.
tier 2, tier 1 cities, वो ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि उनको वो सब नहीं मिला.
Right.
They crave for it. They're
Right.
desperate. They're hardworking.
Yeah.
That they visualize their goals while sleeping also,
True,
while
true.
waking up. Every time they're just
Yeah.
thinking about it.
And
So
there's a
their
research.
hunger is so strong.
There's hunger is so strong as you mentioned. मैम एक रिसर्च है जिसका नाम है लाइक डिसफंक्शनल फैमिलीज के ऊपर है. मैम इंडिया में 60% से ज़्यादा डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अगर हम वो एनर्जी को, वो इमोशन को चैनलाइज करके उनको वीकनेस से वेपन बनाए ना, जस्ट थिंक हाउ पावरफुल इंडिया कैन बिकम.
I think it is powerful and it is so
It
beautiful
is
the
so
way you
beautiful.
just said.
Yeah, because ma'am, pehle I used to like, because this domain I researched a lot about dysfunctional families where I saw कि parenting कैसे affect करता है economy को, crimes को and how nation building को. And when I researched on it, I saw कि actually what you mentioned very aptly कि ma'am privileged kids will only get influence things. They will only do things that they saw कि इधर हाँ कमी
Chalo,
है.
let me give you an example here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Sachin Tendulkar, the
Right,
legend, the
right.
legendary
Yeah.
cricketer. Sachin Tendulkar की अगर आपने हिस्ट्री देखी है, if you read a book about his life, how he started, I think initially बहुत सारे लोगों ने मना कर दिया, don't get into cricket.
Right.
Imagine अगर सचिन को मना कर दिया तो आज सचिन होता ही नहीं.
Right.
So what he did is he believed himself, then this hunger, then to prove himself, and number 3 पेरेंट्स ने बिलीव किया, ट्रस्ट करा,
Right.
सपोर्ट करा.
Right.
लेकिन सचिन की फैमिली में से अगर देखें,
Yeah.
सचिन का सन is not going to be the next Sachin.
Exactly.
Because he
Exactly my
belongs to
point.
that privileged
Right, ma'am.
category.
मतलब वो जो
He's
point
seen so much in
Yeah.
life. He's
See,
so much of showbiz.
he doesn't know the
level his
value.
parent is there.
Right.
I think
And it will be a मतलब the thing is that when that ignition is from inside, no, that will never like burn out. That will every time be there because आपने वो चीज ना रूट लेवल से स्क्रैच से अपने आप को बिल्ड किया.
so if you see the new
Yeah.
list of billionaires,
Right.
I think first generation billionaires की list लंबी होती
जा रही है because
they
that's
have that
how-
aspiration, they
Yeah.
have that light, that
Right.
fire, that craving, that
Right.
yes, I want to be that.
Because they have not been served. Whatever means, the thing is that if you see very clearly, previously I used to think, you know, India में इतना dysfunctional families है, क्या होगा, let's leave India. Really, I'll be very honest, I used to think that way. Now my perspective when I wrote the book and when I researched a lot on this aspect and compared and read a lot of cases, interacted with so many people, I saw that the thing is that we just need to channelize the energy. That's all.
I think
Nothing
I must
else.
just compliment you, the kind of work you are getting into, the kind of work you're doing, and your book
Thanks,
is
ma'am.
also amazing.
Thanks, ma'am.
So you're really doing something very nice, and
Right.
the kind of message you want to serve is really, really need of the hour.
Yes, ma'am.